Not my feet, please. Can we not do the feet thing right now? No. Ow! I don't want to do the feet thing. You are an ankle biter. Stop it, young lady. Enough with the feet. You're an ankle biter. Why are you an ankle biter? That's a dog thing. You think you're a dog? Do ya? You punk? How is one supposed to get any sleep in this house? With ankle biters. Chewing on their feet. Crazy wild animals. Look at this crazy rabid kitty. Where's your sister? Hissing at someone, I hear. I'm surprised she's not jealous. Peepers. Peepers, where's Daddy? Where's Peagles? She's sleeping with Miranda on her birthday? Huh? Is Daddy sleeping with Miranda on her birthday? Yeah. Up. Stella Luna. Stella Looney? Where is she? Where's your crazy sister? Oh, you and your freaking foot fetish. It's ridiculous. And it hurts. You're not a gentle nibbler. Ouch. Stop. What am I going to do with you? Here comes your sister to keep you busy. She's creeping around over here. Ow! Stop it! Beat it, kid. Beat it, kid. Crazy critters. Where'd I find you guys? Where'd I find you? Oh, yeah. Your mama had you. Mama and Daddy had you. Yeah. This is the result of a Highlander and a Sphynx. A curly-furred Highlander and Sphynx mix right here. This troublemaker. This beautiful troublemaker. She is pretty, but she is a pretty brat. She's the biggest troublemaker in the house. Peepers. Right, Peeps? She doesn't deny it. She admits it. She admits she's the biggest problem in the house. At this current moment, anyway. Peepers. Peepers. It's time to go to bed. Try to go to bed anyway. Little buddy. Little buddy.